Welcome to JavaScript Commission Bot review. So this is about JavaScript Commission Bot review, and I am Angel Benish from www.angelbenish.com. So what is this JavaScript Commission Bot all about? It's an unlimited free traffic into lazy commissions. So daily profits, and it's just like push button easy. So it's like 24/7 commissions and free traffic. It's an automated income system without BS. So let's go deep and check the details about JavaScript Commission Bot. Some people think making money on online is easy, and some think it's hard. So both are right. Lots of people think making money online is hard. Maybe because of the experience they had previously. Their methods didn't work. So because of that, they say it's hard. But many people also waste so much of time, money on tools and learning new skills, building email lists. So they feel it's really hard to earn money online. Some people find making money online ridiculously easy. A 7-year-old is making $22 million a year on YouTube, and a teenage online entrepreneur banking millions. So some people find it's ridiculously easy for them to make money online. So how are these people effortlessly making massive cash with methods that are simple and fast? As you already know that to make money online, all you need are traffic and offers. So here's how to make that process as simple, fast and profitable as possible. So these two things, traffic and offer, this is what JavaScript Commissions Bot provides you. Here you use other people's audiences for targeted traffic. It's really fast, and you don't have to pay for ads, waste a second creating content, and find products with an unlimited audience that pay hundreds per sale, and you don't have to struggle for puny commissions in the competitive MMO niche. So anyone can make super affiliate cash easy using JavaScript Commissions Bot. Without making videos, without a social following, without learning complicated software, without building email list, without buying ads, without starting marketing or paying specialists, without creating products, without even needing your own social media account. And you don't have to wait for results, it's instant. So JavaScript Commissions Bot is all in one. It's a turnkey income solution for all who are struggling to make money online. And the software is automatic, free traffic 24/7, which means 365 days. You don't have to pay for the traffic, and done for you high paying affiliate campaigns, breakthrough system. So it's really an awesome software. So these are commissions at record speed. So what you get in JavaScript Commissions Bot is you get the lightning speed traffic and conversions of paid traffic without buying ads. You get completely untapped, unsaturated traffic right for offers. You get it served on a silver platter with no posting or content creation required. So JavaScript Commissions is an awesome software. So you don't have to buy ads or you don't have to pay for traffic. So get Java Commissions now. It's 100% guaranteed. And the best part is for 99% of people, this traffic is unreachable. They kind of know it exists, but there's no way for them to tap into it. So if you say yes to this software, you are saying no to autoresponders or list building or website or building websites or paying for domains or hosting, content creation, posting on social media, and no complicated softwares. So you're saying no to a number of things. So if I am given an option, I would say yes to the software and no to all these things. So how awesome it is. For most people, life is about sacrifice. Some sacrifice their time to make more money, others sacrifice money to have more time. With Java commissions bots, you don't have to sacrifice anything. You just use it like we show. You have to make more money and save time. After 3 years plus of marketing full-time online, the vendor says that the fact is, this is the fastest commission system you have ever seen online, because there's no content to create or complicated frameworks to put in place. The traffic's on autopilot being siphoned directly to you thanks to the software. The DFI offers a practically licenses to print commissions backed by months of proven results. Plus, you can use your free traffic both for the included campaigns and to send to any. You're just 3 steps to start receiving your commissions. To start your earnings, online earnings. Step number 1. Just paste your affiliate ID in your DFY money pages, where we show you to bank up to $400 from every click. Step 2. Switch on the included traffic software, compatible with any operating system and point and click, easy to use. Step number 3. Rank your commissions as the automated traffic converts into sales over and over again. Step number 4. Optional. Rotate the DFI offers and scale up to multiple income streams. So this is the easiest profit method on the planet. Anyone can say their method is easiest, but we are sure that this method is really the easiest method on the planet to earn your commissions online. So now let's look into the bonuses, the special bonuses that is offered by the vendor as well as by me to you. So just wait and let's see the bonuses, and then at the end you will have the demo of the software. Oh, sorry, I have to tell you the prices and the upsell. So the front end is $12.97. Upgrade 1 is $47. Upgrade 2 is $97. Upgrade 3 is $197. Upgrade 4 is $197 again. So let's see what the funnel has. And the front end is the JavaScript commissions bot, so it's $12, and upsell 1 is Java Commission Bot Pro Edition, so unlimited everything. While the front end is limited to 5 user accounts only, with this upgrade you get unlimited access, plus the link or URL shortener services is also you have it with this. So upsell 2 is JavaScript commissions bot DFI campaigns, that's $97, and it's proven high converting campaigns from Jonas personal campaigns collection that collectively made over $50,000. These campaigns include bonus pages plus bonuses and review videos. And upsell 3 is high ticket DFY funnel plus limitless traffic. So huge value once again here. You will get direct access to Jonas AdWords audience by placing pixels on our sales pages for next 365 days. It doesn't stop there. You also get access to Jonas personal ads library, plus access to Jonas personal auto webinar funnel, and simply use Jonas ads to send Jonas audience and cash in from the penny clicks. And upsell 3 is resellers bundle license, and it's $197. Combined developers rights to software, resell rights plus 3 additional softwares. Buyers of this upsell also get to sell Java commission bot as if it was their own product and take away commissions on the whole funnel. And here are some key benefits. Maybe I can just tell you. Yeah, it's unlimited unsaturated traffic on tap, 100% platform complaint, premium commissions from evergreen products. So now let's go and see what are the bonuses comes with this purchase. The custom bonuses which is provided by me. Just a second. Bonus number 1 is you get huge traffic. How to get huge traffic using Instagram influencers. And bonus number 2 is access limitless traffic. And bonus number 3 is you're getting Gemini software with this product, Java Commission Bot, and that's a great software, Gemini. And number 4 is Insurgency Suite, and you get access to that. And number 5 is the special vendor bonuses. So all the vendor bonuses will also be added to this purchase. So after you purchase, you can find all these bonuses, the vendor bonuses as well as the custom bonuses from me to you. It will be automatically added to the members area, so you don't have to do something special for that. And now let's just go and have a look at the demo page of JavaScript Commissions Bot. So this is the members area of the software, and here you have the introduction, welcome to JavaScript Commission Bot, and then JavaScript Commission Bot training. So installing Instagram, Twitter extension, setting up offers plus training video, and then here you have the upgrades. So you have access to your special bonuses here, and access to the sales page bonuses here. So everything is covered here, so you don't have to worry about it. And so once you purchase the software, you get to access this. And this is a 2-part system, so you don't have to worry about anything. 100% free traffic flows in plus offers. So go for it, and it's an awesome software, so don't miss it. Plus the bonuses are also awesome. You're getting Gemini with it. It's an awesome software too. So go for it. Thanks for watching. So if you like the video, please subscribe.